Welcome guys, so today I am with Redmi Buds for Lite and I want to show you how easy you can pair them with your Android smartphone. So before pairing, you have to remember to charge your case and earbuds inside at least to the 50%. The next step, we have to simply open the case and remove them earbuds from the case. When you make it, this small indicators right here will blink. As you can see, they are blinking. So it means that we are in pairing mode. The next step, just open the Bluetooth settings on your smartphone, enable Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher. Take a look on the available devices list. As you can see, the Redmi Buds for Lite pops on the list, so we have to simply tap on them once, accept pairing request, and as you can see, after a few seconds we are successfully connected. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.